Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Peacock TV. If you want to change your avatar or a profile picture on one of your user accounts on Peacock TV, then this video is for you. Launch open a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your account and you are in this main homepage. Now select one of the accounts you'd like to change the profile picture on and click on the little pencil icon right under your name. After you are done, right where it says avatar, click on the change avatar button and select your avatar from the list given on the display. You can choose any avatar of your choice, and to select an avatar, click on it. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to see the avatar changed. Now you can get back to the main homepage and look for a new avatar, and you'll be able to see the new avatar that you just selected applied to your account. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.